All right, today we were out in Frisco. We're at a beautiful home that's for sale. We're doing this tour for a client of ours out in LA, and we thought we'd take you along with us. All right, let's go take a tour. So here's just a quick look from the front yard, just kind of rotating around so you can see what the neighborhood looks like, what the street looks like. Very beautiful homes, as you can see. And then here's the home in question. All right, let's get in here and go take a look. So it's got a brick and stone combination with black carriage lamps on the front, gray shutters, pretty extensive landscaping. It's got an 8-foot door with lights in it. It's got glass in the door. Okay. The entry, there we go. So in the entry right off to the right, you've got a study. They have it set up as a sitting room, but it's actually a study with glass doors. And they have some French chair rail molding on it. It's painted a Dayton navy. Some pretty light fixtures, wood floors throughout. Here's the dining room. They've got plantation shutters in here as well. And in the kitchen, they've got a single oven. They've got pulls on their doors and their drawers, a big massive island, white cabinets. They've got a herringbone pattern subway tile backsplash, Whirlpool appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop, lots of cabinetry, lots of storage, a stainless steel undermount sink. Hopefully you can see the countertops. I know sometimes hard to see it. They do have a light in the kitchen. That's wonderful. They got a big island here and a very open family area. Big, majestic chandelier up there. And then it looks to be like a marble panel going up 2/3 of the wall. A window seat off to the right. Let me spin around this way so you can see a really grand staircase open above. Lots of light in the kitchen. And then let's look out here quickly. Sliding back doors. It looks like stamped concrete. I could be wrong on that though. And they do have a little uncovered area. They've extended out the flat work. They have a small covered back porch. It's tastefully done, but it's not a large covered back porch. It looks like they added on to it with this flat work. There's a nice bit of yard for a dog, and they got a side yard. Got a Kamado Joe. All right, let's lock this back up. So moving into the master. Again, plantation shutters. This is a large master. They've got their bassinet in here and a little play area. French doors into the master suite. So they've got a tile shower and a sunken tub. It's not a spa tub, but it is sunken. There's the surround on it. And then they've got a somewhat large closet. And I'm looking for the light switch. There we go. So it goes fairly deep on that side and somewhat over there on the left. Not a big closet, but not bad, not too bad. I believe this will be a linen closet. Indeed it is. And then we'll have the facilities. Tile throughout, going into everywhere except the closet, that's carpet, and then the bedroom's carpet. So in the master and the wet area, they have tile. Let's get the lights on. That always makes things look better. There we go. So again, just a little pan for you. I know it's really hard to get a feel for everything when you're just looking on video. Okay, let's exit back out through here. And then again, you can see the walkway up there, the open area. So let's go back over here. We missed this spot. Down this hall, we have got a lot of dark rooms. So the utility room, got a nice built-in with a wooden top, matching. Got a smaller bedroom in here, right on the first floor. Got a, it's a walk-in closet, but that's a reach. I'd say it's a reach-in closet that's just really deep. But an argument could be made. In here, we have a downstairs bath with a tub. So actually some really pretty tile. So that's got a nice feel. And that's gonna serve the bedroom we were just in. And now we're headed upstairs. Got the safety lock on the floor. Carpet on the stairs. We did have a wood starter step on the staircase. Full carpeting up here. A window seat. Cute little play area for the kids. Another linen closet upstairs. You could also route and hold the electronics if you wanted. Okay, the media room is actually a workout room. Trying to find the light, bear with me, so sorry. Okay, so this is actually a media room. Let me get back here and pan it for you. But it's really just, they're using it as storage right now, which is understandable. When you've got little ones and you're trying to sell a house, it's crazy. But this is a neat little area up here. So multi-purpose room, media room, and then really nicely done bedroom in here in a gray palette. A walk-in, got a tub, reach-in closets. It's a good depth closet. I would even say that's more of a walk-in than the last one we were in. And then a bathroom. They got tile again. Very nicely done bathroom. It's cute. And then another bedroom. And again, they've got their shutters throughout. Now that's a walk-in closet. I'll actually walk in for you. Yep. And then I can also give you a nice pan of the bedroom. The bedrooms are pretty decent size. So here we've got a downstairs bath, or an upstairs bath serving these two bedrooms, and then some storage here. That's gonna be an attic. That's why it's locked, but that's gonna go out and serve the attic. And you can see, I don't really wanna go back in there, but you can see that that's a pathway to service the air conditioners, to change the filters and such. And let me get over here and I'll give you a quick spin around upstairs. So it's a very, very functional floor plan. It's got a media room. It's got a really big downstairs. It's got an outdoor patio. It's in one of the most desirable neighborhoods. I mean, this is a crazy hot market, and this is a crazy hot neighborhood if you're looking in Frisco. And again, this is the heart of the home, the most important part of the home. And this is a really nice layout, super clean, got a good contemporary feel to it, great color palette. You could easily come in here and plop down your furniture and make it your own. It's very clean. That's one thing I've noticed, is it looks to be in pretty decent shape, and it's very clean and nice and very tidy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick tour. It's a very pretty house. It's very clean. It's very well kept, very well maintained. It's got a lot of square footage in it, quite a few bedrooms, and the flow is really nice. On a day where I had all the lights turned on, it would have shown a lot better. I didn't realize they had all the lights off. Normally when your home's on the market and you're showing, a little tip is to keep your blinds open 1/3 of the way and have all your lights on. I know you want to turn them off and save power, just leave them on. It makes the house show better. But if the light was out, if the lights were on, it would have showed better initially, but the home looks gorgeous. It's a nice, clean, gray color palette, very neutral. So in general, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a great listing. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and give me a shout if we can help.